Okay, today we have a question. How do we subtract and borrow when we are using zeros in our problem? Okay, you borrow from the hundreds place to make the tens place a bigger number, just like you would with the ones place. So let's do a problem together. And we have 900 minus 689. And you're probably thinking, well, man, all those zeros, how are we going to borrow from zero? Well, I'm glad you asked. Here's what we do. We normally start in the ones place when we're working with three-digit numbers in a subtraction problem. But we can't do that yet until we make those zeros bigger numbers. And how we do that is we go to the hundreds place. Right here where this 9 is, there's 900 sitting right there. We need to borrow from that 9 to make the 0 in the tens place a bigger number, which is a 10. So let's go ahead and try that. Okay? Let's go back here, and we have 900 minus 689. Okay? Now, we said we don't start in the ones place when we have these zeros. We need to go to the hundreds place. There's my 900 sitting right there. We are going to take 100 away from that 900, which will give us the 8 on top, which is the 800. Now, the 1 that we took from the 9 has to go in the tens place right here. Now we've made that 10 a bigger number. Well, now we're going to go back to the ones place, and we can do what we said before, which is starting in the ones place. We need to make this 0 in the ones place a bigger number because we cannot take 9 from 0. So we are going to borrow in the tens place from that 10, okay? And when we take 1 from 10, we have the 9 on top. And when we take 1 from 10, we're going to put it in the ones place next to the 0 to make it a big number. Now look at all your numbers on top. They're big numbers, and the ones on the bottom are little. So now we can subtract. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. And 8 minus 6 is 2. Okay? And if you take these two numbers right here and add them together, I bet you get 900 on top. 9 plus 1 is 10. 8 plus 1 is 9, and 6 plus 2 is 8, okay? So 900, not 900, I'm sorry. Let's go ahead and erase that. 689 plus 211. Let's see if we came up with the right answer. Okay, 9 plus 1 is 10. 0 will only fit in the ones place. Carry that 1. 8 plus 1 is 10. 0 in the tens place. That's all I can fit there. Put a 1 in the hundreds place. Carry it. 6 plus 1 is 7. And 2 more makes 9. And if you have a 900 sitting here on top when you first started, you know that you did your problem correctly. I hope that this helped. Have a great day.